Well, here we are. Our paint is all done, and it looks spectacular. You can see that our clear coat really did a nice job. Our jambs are all painted, obviously. The rear sill, all the jambs in the back here have been painted, obviously. These are brackets for the hatch, and all the way down. Our once dent that was in there is completely gone. A little bit of pulling out of the metal, and then a little bit of body work. It's really nice to see. This is just a great color. Typically, you'll in a Land Cruiser 60, 62 series, 80 series, you'll find some metallic. This is just a solid color. It's an original color green, and it's classic. It's just a classic look, and it looks fantastic. We're gonna obviously the firewall's all painted up and looks sharp, and we'll put the nose back on this. And you know, when you open this up, you're going to be hard pressed to tell that this is not a factory paint job, mainly because the overspray and just the spray in general is complete coverage.